Apollo versus Seamless. Which one is best for prospecting? Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to compare Apollo and Seamless AI to help you decide which one is best for prospecting. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. So beginning with Apollo. Apollo is an all-in-one prospecting and sales engagement platform. It gives you access to a large B2B contact database with advanced filters that help you find leads based on job title, industry, company size, and location. What makes Apollo stand out is that it doesn't just help you find leads, you can also send cold emails, create automated sequences, and track campaign performance directly inside the platform. This makes it a strong option for sales teams and agencies that want prospecting and outreach combined in one place. Now, let's come towards Seamless AI. Seamless AI focuses mainly on fast lead discovery using AI-powered real-time search. Instead of relying only on stored data, it scans the web to find contact information as you search, helping users discover new prospects quickly. It also offers a simple interface and a Chrome extension that allows you to capture leads directly from LinkedIn and websites while browsing, which makes prospecting faster and easier for beginners. The main difference comes down to workflow. Apollo is better if you want an all-in-one system that handles prospecting, automation, and outreach together. Seamless AI is better if your priority is quickly finding new leads with a simple, focused prospecting experience. Choosing between Apollo and Seamless in 2026 depends on your specific needs, whether you want complete sales automation or faster lead discovery. That's all for the video.